Welcome to Nadocu. Today we are going to explore the top 10 AI tools you must try in 2026. These tools are changing the way people work, study, and create content online. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is already part of our daily life. People are using AI to write content, design images, edit videos, and build websites. If you are not using AI tools yet, you are already falling behind. Let's start with tool number 1. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps you write, learn, and generate ideas instantly. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. Canva AI helps you create thumbnails, logos, and designs in seconds. Even beginners can create professional graphics easily. Tool number 3 is Runway ML. Runway ML is used for AI video editing and creating cinematic effects. It can turn simple ideas into professional videos. Tool number 4 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI gives fast and direct answers instead of long search results. It is perfect for research and learning. Tool number 5 is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize notes, tasks, and projects easily. It is like your digital productivity assistant. Tool number 6 is 11 Labs. 11 Labs converts text into realistic human-like voice. It is perfect for YouTube voiceovers and faceless videos. Tool number 7 is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI creates images and thumbnails using text prompts. You can generate creative visuals in seconds. Tool number 8 is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot helps developers write code faster. It suggests code automatically while you are typing. Tool number 9 is Copy.ai. Copy.ai helps you write marketing content, blogs, and captions. It is very useful for online business and marketing. Tool number 10 is Tome AI. Tome AI creates presentations automatically from simple text. You just enter your idea and it builds full slides for you. Now let's quickly summarize everything. We covered the top 10 AI tools you must try in 2026. These tools can help you save time and increase productivity. Artificial intelligence is growing faster every day. If you start using these tools now, you will stay ahead of most people. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to Nadocu, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.